Downloading and installing XAMPP in our computer. Step 1 is to download. XAMPP is a release made available by the nonprofit project Apache Friends. Versions with PHP 5.5, 5.6, or 7 are available for download on the Apache Friends website. Step 2 is to run that .exe file. Once the software bundle has been downloaded, we can start the installation by double-clicking on the file with the ending .exe. Step 3 is deactivate any antivirus software. Since an active antivirus program can negatively affect the installation process, it's recommended to temporarily pause any antivirus software until all XAMPP components have successfully been installed. Step 4. Deactivate UEC or User Account Control. User account control can interfere with the XAMPP installation because it limits writing access on the C drive. So we recommend you deactivate this too for the duration of the installation process. To find out how to turn off your UAC, head to the Microsoft Windows support pages. Step 5. Start the setup wizard. After we've opened the .exe file or after deactivating our antivirus programs and taking note of the user account control, the start screen of the XAMPP setup wizard should appear automatically. Click on Next to configure the installation setting. Step 6. Choose software components. Under Select Components, we have the option to include individual components of the XAMPP software bundle from the installation. But for a full local test server, we recommend you install using the standard setup and all available components. After making our choice, click Next. Step 7. Choose the installation directory. In the next step, we have the chance to choose where we'd like the XAMPP software package to be installed. If we opt for the standard setup, then open a folder with the name XAMPP will be created under Save for you. After we've chosen a location, click Next. Step 8. Start the installation process. Once all the aforementioned preferences have been decided, click the Start Installation. The Setup Wizard will unpack and install the selected components and save them to the designed directory. This process can take several minutes in total. You can follow the process of the installation by keeping an eye on the green loading bar in the middle of the screen. Step 9. Windows Firewall Blocking. Your firewall may interrupt the installation process to block some components of the XAMPP. Use the corresponding checkbox to enable communication between the Apache server and your private network or work network. Remember that making our XAMPP server available for public network isn't recommended. Step 10. Complete installation. Once all the components are unpacked and installed, you can close the Setup Wizard by clicking on Finish. Click to tick the corresponding checkbox and open the XAMPP control panel once the installation process is finished. That's how we download and install the XAMPP.